welcome back to English class. Today, we are still in our Module 6 entitled Food Please. So for this video, you will need to turn to page 56. Dalam video ini, kita akan gunakan teks yang berada di muka surat 56. Before we go to the story, let's learn the vocabulary in this text. The first one is omelette. Omelette, yaitu telur dadar. Peas. Peas, kacang peas. Pancake. Pancake. Pineapple. Pineapple. Peppers. Peppers. Coconut. 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 Cheese. Cheese, yaitu keju. Alright, my year 3 pupils, it's time for reading the story. Let's take a look at the story together.
I love my omelette. There's some cheese in my omelette. Is there any cheese in your omelette, Greg?
No, there isn't.
There are some peppers in my omelette too. Are there any peppers in your omelette, Greg?
No, there aren't. There isn't any cheese and there aren't any peppers in my omelette. But there are some peas, onions and pineapple.
Yuck.
And for dessert, coconut pancakes.
Yummy.
Okay, in this story, there are 3 characters. Kita ada 3 watak dalam cerita ini. They are Anna, Greg, and Greg's dad. So for this video, I want you to look at these 3 sentences on your screen. So di sini ialah Anna is asking Greg, is there any cheese in your omelette, Greg? Okay, so when the question start with is, kita gunakan is bila kita mau bersoal tentang makanan yang tidak boleh dikira. Okay, when the food is uncountable noun, iaitu perkataan yang kita dah belajar sebelum ini, kata nama yang tidak boleh kira, we use is in the beginning of the question. Is there any cheese in your omelette, Greg? And Greg says, no, there isn't. Di sini, this is a short form for is not. Okay, isn't ialah bermaksud tidak ada, singkatan kepada is not. Okay, when the question start with is, the answer will also end with is. Soalan bermula dengan is, jawapan pun akan berakhir dengan is. Yes, there is, kalau ada. Kalau tiada dalam itu makanan, no, there isn't. So in this story, we know that in Anna's omelette, there's some cheese and there are peppers in her omelette. And we also know that in Greg's omelette, there is no cheese and there are no peppers. Next, when the question starts with are, seperti yang Anna bertanya di dalam gambar nombor 2, are there any peppers in your omelette, Greg? So, we know that peppers are countable nouns. Peppers ialah makanan yang kita boleh kira. Jadi kita akan mulakan soalan itu dengan are. Are. Okay, and Greg says, no, they aren't. Okay, again, this is the short form for are not. Adalah singkatan untuk are not. Kedua-duanya boleh digunakan dalam ayat. Kalau tiada, bermaksud tidak ada. So, in this picture number 2, Anna is asking Greg, are there any peppers in your omelette, Greg? And Greg says, no, there aren't. Tidak ada peppers, iaitu lada benggala itu di dalam telur dadar Greg. Kalau ada, dia akan jawab, yes, they are. So at the end of the story, we know that in Greg's omelettes, there are some peas, onions, and pineapple. So this question is for you. What do you put in your omelette? Apakah yang selalu ada? Apakah yang selalu kamu letak di dalam telur dadar kamu? Okay, so think about your omelette and what are in your omelette. Okay, I will see you in our next video. Goodbye.